Learn with Jingle Kids.
Hello, kids. Welcome to episode 3 of our alphabet adventure. We already know few simple words starting with the alphabet C. Today, we are learning how to write the letter C. Let's start. Start at the top. Draw a curve. Curve it around like a teapot handle. And we are done. This is capital C, also known as uppercase C. Now let's write the small c or the lowercase c. This is the lowercase c. Great job, kids. Keep practicing and you will be a C master. See you next time for letter D. Till then, bye.